I've talked about management, introduction to economics, but the base of it, organization. This is Chef Rakesh welcoming you to my edu tutorial discussions on various topics for entrepreneurs, students, and other people who may be interested. Decoding lot of simple facts, which you may have read, but I have my own way of looking at things. I hope you find it interesting. Be with me. Today I'll elaborate on organization. What is an organization? Sounds so simple. Organization is an entity. Organization is an organization. Simple? No. Organization, if it was that simple, every organization would be on the top of the world. Some are famous, some lose their way around, some close down, some become redundant. So what's an organization? First, I'll tell you in Hindi. संस्था क्या है? संस्था कुछ लोगों का समूह है जो एक साथ किसी उद्देश्य की पूर्ति के लिए अपनी सामर्थ्य का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. तो संस्था कुछ लोगों का समूह है. Organization is a group of people putting their efforts to a common goal. Any organization, it's a group of people putting their effort for achieving a common goal. So organization should have a goal. Few people come together, you form an organization. That organization could be a society or a trust or a business unit or a commercial venture or a social welfare venture. So your goals are defined as per the vision that few people have set up. Now there comes goal and there comes vision. When a few friends sitting together, they will have a vision of doing something, achieving or reaching a particular. So that is a vision which carries their mind to achieving that in due course of time. So organization is formed by few people, two or more people. They will come together for a vision. They will make that into a mission. Mission is when you break down your vision into achievable time frames and arrange the resources for that. When you make it a mission, you know what to do. Maybe you have not been able to set the particular time frame, but you know where to go, how far to reach. And you break down that mission into goals, achievable goals against a certain time frame. So those objectives against a certain time frame becomes your goal. You know the posts that you have marked, and when you cross that, you have reached one goal. So achievable targets in a certain time frame becomes a goal. You exist in the form of organization due to a vision, and you make it a mission. So organization is a group of people working towards a common goal, putting all their efforts in reaching that goal, and there you are, a successful organization. Because success doesn't mean only money. Success means achieving your target. Success means achieving your vision. Success means attaining your goals. And success means, are you contented with your effort because you know your organization have been able to achieve that. So basically, organization is an entity. It could be commercial, social, welfare. So let me elaborate a few examples of this. क्या ये पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है? Yes. Political parties are an organization. They work for some ideals, ideology, they have a vision. And they make it into a mission and achieve their goals objectively in a certain time frame from one part to another, one post to another. So what about commercial ventures? Tata, Birla, Infosys, Wipro, they are all organizations. They are business organizations. Every country has their own way of registering this organization. They may be a private entrepreneur, they may be proprietorship, they may be limited, they may be private limited, they may be incorporations. All these are organizations, and you may have social goals, you may have commercial goals, you may have profit earning goals, you may have quality enduring goals, you may have innovative goals, you may have goals which only you know about and the imagination that you carry. So, you have to understand the organizations exist as long as their vision is realistic, as long as their mission is possible. And what makes it possible? Goals make it possible. Are you smart enough to break down your mission into achievable goals in a certain time frame? Are you really smart enough to recruit people to achieve those goals? Are you really smart enough to motivate those people into achieving those goals? So, what makes an organization? A lot of people, 2 or more people. Previously, traditionally, when all the organizations were mostly commercial, social, welfare, and these IT companies and disrupted the scene. IT companies formed and disrupted the scene. Why? They were out of box. They were out of tradition. Their organization needed again reorientation of the meaning of organization and the business organization, the ethics of working and the labor laws. Why? Because of the type of product and the service that they were delivering. They were mainly into service, and all the organizations were formed for product base. Huge incorporations were there producing products and selling products. When these IT companies came, 2 people joined hands, made lots of money. Impossible to think of previously. You needed land, you needed building, you needed plant and machinery, you needed huge number of people, politicians would come in, socialists would come in, government would come in, regulate, license and whatnot. What happened? Handful of boys came in, used their head, used their knowledge base, sat in a garage and fulfilled the requirement of hundreds of people, made life easy. People had not known about it. Think about a tally software. One guy can do a work of at least 25 accountants. And that too effectively. So, that IT software disrupted the industry. And did you need 1,000 people to work on it? To reach? No. Just a handful of people. So the meaning of industry changed. What is the difference between cottage industry and a large scale industry? Few people working from their home, producing something, selling is a cottage industry. You work from a cottage. Factories, huge production, scale of economics. So that were organizations, commercial organizations. But only handful of people earning that much money, using their knowledge. What happened? The entire definition of organization changed. The business organization and the labor requirement, the system resource requirement, government and everybody took so much time to realize it and change the licensing accordingly. And people used to come, do their work, go, take their part of the money and just evolve into a new company, doing something new. So this IT industry actually forced everybody to rethink the definition of everything, but it remained the same. Organization remained the same. What is an organization? An organization is a group of people working for a common objective to attain certain mission, vision, and the goals respectively for fulfilling their dreams. So this is Chef Rakesh trying to make a meaning out of what is an organization. An organization is a group of people working for a common objective to attain certain mission, vision, and the goals respectively for fulfilling their dreams. So this is Chef Rakesh trying to make a meaning out of organization. What's an organization? An organization is an entity formed by a few people to work towards their vision, but it also has a structure. When a lot of people come in, you need a structure to work on. So organization is a systematic, organized structure which delivers your vision and goal. And then you have ethics and motivation of those people. Those are different subjects. We'll come back again discussing, explaining things. Signing off, Chef Rakesh. Back with you. I'm enjoying myself. I hope you are doing the same.